thanks for joining me today. And I know this is a little late in the game, but I was gone the whole month of December and I just returned, and this was waiting for me, my card kit of the month from Spellbinders. It's the Winter Wishes for December, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the contents, and I'm going to try to use this set other than Christmas. So in a future video I'll show you what cards that I made, and hopefully a few tutorials with that. So since I switched my small and large die of the month to the card kit, I thought maybe you would enjoy the card kit more. That way you can get some ideas on how I put cards together instead of having just the dies. You'll be able to maybe duplicate with the items in your stash. So since this is the first card kit, they sent me a free gift, and this is it here. And they had 3 stamp sets that you were able to, one of the 3 stamp sets that they would send you. So I ended up getting this one, which I love, and that way I can use it with this card kit, and it has different sentiments for different days of the year or holidays. It's like birthday, wedding, engagement, anniversary, graduation, Father's Day, Mother's Day, and just some other lovely sentiments on that. So I'll set that aside. I did already open this, but this is how it comes wrapped. You do get an instruction card for some ideas on what you can do with the kit, and here's some samples. The dies that you get are Warm Winter Wishes along with the bear. I'll show you that in a minute. I did go ahead and add it to a magnetic sheet, so that didn't come with it, but that's what I store my dies on. Then you get the cards and envelopes. Let's see how many cards you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. And then, like I said, this is the first time getting this kit, so I'm not sure. So there's 10, it looks like 10 cards, 10 envelopes. So these are A2 size, so those will be nice to start my card with. You do get the Spellbinders Winter Wishes paper pad. I'll go ahead and go through that and see what papers I'll be able to use that are not too Christmassy. Now this one I won't be able to since it has trees, but I can surely use that. Here's music notes, maybe that. Definitely the plaid. Looks like you get a gold print. Oops, I can use that. The polka dots, definitely. I'm not gonna probably use that one or this one, but this vertical stripes I can, and then it repeats itself, so that will be good to use. Set that aside, and then let's see what else we have. Some enamel dots, I'll definitely be using those. Some twine, I will do that, and this comes with some foam squares. That will not be enough for me, but you know how I am with foam squares. And then you get 2 rolls of washi tape or adhesive tape, and they are sparkly. Probably could still use that. A roll of adhesive. Then you get this stamp set. I'll definitely use the jar, maybe the this stamp set, which can be sand or something on the bottom. Maybe we can alter a few of these things. So that's the stamp set. Next we have some gold stickers, and this is an alphabet sticker. Probably can use that as well. And these are the dies that you get in the card kit. Let me see, I'm not sure what the words say. Warm Winter Wishes, so we can use wishes. We can maybe use another die from our stash for best wishes. We'll see, we'll work on that. But these are the dies. You get the 3-word dies, some snowflakes, some branches, leaves, and then the accessories for the bear, another flake, a tree, and a pear. We might be able to use the pear. Oops, sorry. Might be able to use the pear. And then we have some die cuts, and let's go through that and see which die cuts I'll be able to use. I'm just going to set that there so that I can just kind of go through it. For you, I can definitely use that. Wishes, we can do maybe birthday wishes. That could be a winter theme as well as that. This says best. Okay, maybe best wishes. Maybe a tree, I can use that. Maybe the bear as well. And here's the let's celebrate. We have a bird. The snowflake I'm not going to use. There's another couple more snowflakes. Here's a row of houses. I can definitely use that. Let me focus a little bit on that one. Sorry, it's not focusing. There we go. That would be cute for maybe a night scene. A squirrel, can use that. I'm not going to use that or this. String of lights, nope. Snowflakes, I can use the jar. And the rest are tags. I may be able to use these for like a birthday tag. That looks like a die that I can use, or a tag that I can use. Yeah, we'll just kind of go through these, that for sure. And so there's possibility with that. And let's get into the cardstock. The only thing that I don't see is a list of items that you get in the kit. So I didn't see that. So anyway, these are all textured cardstock. Start out with a blue, a light blue, black. Oh, I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. Let's see. Here we go. Let me start over. Here's the blue. It's very rainy tonight. Okay, so we have the here's a blue, a light blue, and a black. And then we have a off-white, a white, a brown, and then this copper color of shimmery cardstock. So that's what came in the kit. So you guys stay tuned for some card projects that I'll be doing with this, and if you received it as well, maybe I'll give you some ideas on how to use a Christmas or holiday themed card kit and turn it into a everyday set that you can use to make birthday cards or thank you cards or some different types of greeting cards. So thanks everyone for watching. Take care.